how to increase tenant retention and reduce turnover costs. Keeping good tenants is one of the smartest ways to protect your rental income and reduce expenses. Every time a tenant moves out, you face cleaning costs, advertising fees, lost rent, and the hassle of finding someone new. The good news: with the right approach, you can increase tenant retention and cut turnover costs significantly. Here's how. 1. Communicate clearly and consistently. Strong communication builds trust. Keep tenants informed about maintenance schedules, community updates, and lease terms. Respond to messages promptly. Tenants who feel heard are more likely to stay. 2. Handle maintenance requests quickly. Few things drive tenants away faster than ignored repair requests. Address issues promptly to show you care about their comfort and the property's condition. 3. Keep the property well maintained. Regular upkeep, clean common areas, and fresh paint make tenants feel proud of where they live. A well-maintained property signals that you're a responsible landlord. 4. Offer lease renewal incentives. A small incentive can go a long way. Consider offering perks like carpet cleaning, minor upgrades, or even a small rent discount for tenants who renew early. 5. Be fair and transparent about rent increases. If you need to raise rent, give tenants plenty of notice and explain your reasoning. Staying within market rates helps retain good tenants while still covering your costs. 6. Foster a sense of community. Organize simple events like seasonal gatherings or send holiday cards. Tenants who feel connected to the property and neighbors are less likely to leave. 7. Respect tenant privacy. Always provide proper notice before entering the property and respect their space. Tenants who feel comfortable and respected tend to stay longer. 8. Screen tenants carefully from the start. Tenant retention starts with selection. Choose tenants who have a stable income, good rental history, and a track record of paying on time. 9. Be proactive with renewals. Reach out 60-90 days before lease expiration. This gives tenants time to decide and helps you avoid long vacancy periods. 10. Ask for feedback. Regularly ask tenants how you can improve their living experience. Showing you value their input encourages loyalty and long-term relationships. Final tip: tenant retention isn't just about avoiding turnover, it's about building trust, maintaining your property, and offering a great living experience. When tenants are happy, your investment thrives.